from the ball page, you'll notice that very much like the quick pick page, you have position, elevation, and power. And so these look very similar. Still have the controls at the bottom of the page, but you'll notice you can fine-tune each one of those attributes. For instance, and I'm going to go back to the quick pick page, you'll notice that the position has actual positions from pitcher all the way to the outfield. But when you're on the ball page, it has a number. That number is a coordinate based on the field. The field's been divided up into degrees. So 0 degrees is center field, negative 45 degrees is the third base line, and positive 45 is the first base line. So when we're at the position of third base, we at FungoMan have set that standard position as negative 36 degrees. So if negative 45 degrees is the first or third base line, it's off the third base line at negative 36 degrees. And you'll notice on the elevation, we've chosen it to be a ground ball, and so because of that, that's negative 2 degrees. Well, 0 is horizontal, so it's shooting straight out at horizontal. Negative 7 degrees is the lowest ground ball that can be thrown, and positive 90 degrees is pointing straight up. So having a negative 2 degree angle is showing us that it's going to throw a ground ball. On the percentage of power, you'll notice from 0 to 100% of power is where we choose and have the power. This number represents the bottom wheel speed. In other words, 30% means the bottom wheel speed is 30% of maximum power. So if you wanted to adjust any one of these attributes, you would simply just use the arrow keys. So if I wanted to adjust the power from 30 to say 35, I would touch it until it says 35%. Same with elevation. If I touch this, I can raise the elevation or lower it. And now I'm at negative 4 degrees elevation, and same thing with position. If I wanted to say a backhand to the third baseman, I would touch this and maybe put it at negative 42 or 43. So now this ball will be closer to the third base line.